The court-ordered State and National Assembly rerun election in Rivers State is less than 3 weeks away. And with the experience of the last general election still fresh on the minds of the people, the Christian Association of Nigeria (CAN) is doing its best to ensure that the polls are peaceful and the state continues to enjoy stability. Friday's visit by the Rivers State chapter of the Christian Association of Nigeria was to seek support towards that effort.
To set aside 9th March for a statewide prayer, it is intended that all Christians and lovers of Rivers State across the state shall observe that day as a day of prayer for Rivers State.
We will try as much as we can to also give you the logistics that it requires to have that day as a statewide prayer day.
While thanking CAN for its continued prayers and support, Governor Wike reiterated his promise to build an ecumenical center to help foster unity among Christians in the state.
It is not a vow to you. It's a covenant, it's a vow we make before God, and we are going to fulfill that. So be assured that nothing will stop us from fulfilling the covenant we have entered with God and the vow we have made.
The governor also played host to the new Archbishop of the Port Harcourt Archdiocese of the Methodist Church in Nigeria, Most Reverend Sunday Agu.
On my assumption of office, I was saturated with the story of the good work you are doing in the state. And that moved me to make up my mind to support you and your government, whatever betide.
We will continue to plead with you not to relent in your prayers, because that's the only way we can survive. With your continuous prayers, we know that this administration will do the best for the people of the state.
Idagbo Obiakeme, AIT News, Port Harcourt.